Hi guys, it's your girl Tamika Renee and I'm back with another video. Say hi, Pa.
Hi guys, I love y'all. Y'all my love.
Oh my gosh.
I love
Anyways,
y'all.
I'm eating McDonald's, y'all.
I love y'all.
And if y'all can see, I'm back in my regular background because I'm back home. Thank you. So I got my fish fillet meal I usually get. They didn't give me no ice. I said light ice. They didn't give me no ice. But they did give me my 3 lemons. But I got me a fish fillet with large fry and on the fish fillet. Papa always want to eat my fries and stuff.
Mama, I remember that we had that too.
Yeah. Let me finish our video.
Okay. Guys, I really love y'all so bad that me and my mama's married.
This is what I get on my fish fillet, guys.
Ew, so nasty.
Pickles, lettuce, and tomatoes. Yep.
Ew, so ugly.
I get into that. That's why I like my fish fresh, because these veggies can make it kind of cold. Thank you, Pa.
Welcome. Okay.
Mm.
Here you go.
Put him in here.
Hey, you got. Just get a little bit, okay?
You want a bite sandwich? See how it tastes. It's really good. Oh. It's okay. I'll get it up.
No, I'll get it up. I don't want you to do the work. You can get that in the one. Oh my God, that tastes so good.
Okay, go stand up.
First, no.
Okay. Well, take your shoes off. They sweet tea hit every time, but so y'all won't waste a trip. When you order sweet tea, taste it before you leave the drive-thru. They should give you a drink first and then the rest of your food after. So you're gonna think you're wasting time. You feel me?
Don't get a lot.
Why?
Let me some more. Yeah, I have to get some more of this.
Hey, I ain't doing no food.
Mama.
I already know why.
Oh man. You do nothing for that.
Go sit down, Pa.
Okay.
I think.
Everybody must love the bomb. So young. No bad
Bop!
Yeah,
Bop!
yeah. Look, Mama. I made the thing clear.
Ooh. Mm-mm. Okay, close the door. You told him, baby. Close the door.
Hey, Mama, I know what to close the door, okay? I just tried to close the door and...
Woo! I also got, let me show you guys.
Ow!
Sorry.
No, it's my fault.
Let me show you my chips. I also got
That's the shoe guys.
these Lay's cheddar and sour cream.
And Mama also...
I got the wrong chips, guys. Oh my god. I was supposed to get cheddar jalapeno.
This cheddar jalapeno.
Mm-mm. Nope.
And
It don't hit the same. Nope. I'm so sad. Cheddar jalapeno be so good. This is the regular cheddar sour cream. Look, it's good.